So we're talking about Ember Falls and some of my memories from that period. And one of them is that when I was writing the book, I had some early readers, always have some early readers. And my mom, who is a huge supporter and encourager, loves the books. She read it and she was like, this is maybe too intense for your readers, or like some of the things that happen in it are, I don't know if they're going to stick with you. That's a pretty big blow. And if you've read it, you kind of understand what I'm talking about. And I remember kind of leaning into that and saying like, no, I think that needs to happen. That needs to happen. It was kind of a moment of like, I wanted to trust the readers. I wanted to say like, I believe that you'll stick with this, that you'll understand, and this will be better in the long run. It's almost like eating your vegetables or that kind of thing. And I had a plan. I was developing a plan anyway. So I leaned into that. And I think that's a good lesson for anyone who's an author or creating something. Like, it might not work. It might not work, and that's okay. Like, and I was willing to take that risk because I thought the stakes were high, and just like with great characters, you know, in my opinion, as a writer, you want to raise the stakes and lower the hopes, and we did that big time in Ember Falls, and I think you should do that too in your work, and you should lean into when the narrative is this might not work. I think you might be onto something. It's good to take some risks. It's good to make yourself uncomfortable, I think, as a creator. And I think that's really valuable. And we tried to do that with Ember Falls. And I think in the end, I think it paid off. I think it was a good decision. But there were moments there where I was like, I'm not sure. But we pressed ahead.